I'm Samrit Joshi, a student of FIITJEE Lucknow Center in the Pinnacle 2 year school integrated program, and I would like to thank FIITJEE for helping me to get a very good rank in the JEE and also to simultaneously top the the state engineering examination of Uttar Pradesh, that is the Uttar Pradesh State Engineering Examination UPSCE. And the journey of my school of my FIITJEE began from class 9th itself, when a senior named Rishabh Singh recommended me that I should study in FIITJEE to prepare for the engineering examinations like the IIT, JEE, and etc. So after that, I asked my parents to make me join FIITJEE, and I also gave the FTRE, by which I got a nice concession. That is, I had to pay a very low sum for the program, and I joined FIITJEE in class 9th itself for the 4-year classroom program. And those were the formative days when the FIITJEE faculty helped me a lot to build my concepts from class 9th itself, and due to that I was able to build a solid foundation that is always required to crack the engineering examinations at the higher level. And I was also able to crack the NTSC and clear the NSEC in class 10th itself. After that, I changed my program to the Pinnacle integrated school program at the CMS Gomti Nagar, so that I could study, so that I could manage some quality time for self study from the hectic school schedule. So after that, when the classes started, the teachers were very helpful to me, and also the FIITJEE packages that are given to us are also very well designed, and they are quite well researched to suit the needs for all the engineering examinations. So in them, the packages that the FIITJEE team has developed over the years of research that they have done, in that the questions and the concepts are given in a very concise manner, and that helps you to strengthen your concepts, and also the problems helps you to help in the speed and the accuracy level. And the FIITJEE faculty is, according to me, always very supportive, and they always try to clarify the concepts in the class and make the concepts very interesting, so that the children take interest in them and do not treat them like rote learning. And I also used to give the FIITJEE the system of AIITS, which has been started very recently. It also helps you to develop the exam temperament and give the 3-hour examination in a controlled environment, so that you can excel in the JEE and many other examinations where you require exam temperament. After that, the 2 years passed very well, and after all my concepts were cleared, so FIITJEE gave us the GMP and the RTPF, which are the final polishing, which give the final finishing touches to a child's preparation. So after that, I solved the GMP rigorously, simultaneously asking all the doubts from the teachers, and that helped to raise the level of preparation a little bit more. And in the meanwhile, the FIITJEE All India Test Series were also going on, which are the final preparative test series for the JEE mains and advance. And then due to those series, my speed increased very much, and my very bad habit of doing careless mistakes also reduced. So after that, I was able to perform very well in the JEE main, in which again I topped the UP state. And for the final 1 month, our teachers supported us to the level best, giving us all the sheets, the DPPs and the Sankalp sheets, etc., which were very helpful to prepare for those final days. And after that, when I gave the JEE also and the UPSC also, I felt quite confident, and after giving the UPSC, I felt quite confident to get to top it, and the results came, and fortunately I got rank 1 and also secured a very good rank in the JEE. I also gave many other examinations like the KFI and the International Olympiads, and with the help and support of the FIITJEE teachers and the specialized study material prepared for those also, I was able to excel and get an All India rank 5 in the KFI, and also qualify all the major international Olympiads like the NSEC, NSCP, NINJS, etc., and as a matter of fact also the NTSC. And for these, FIITJEE has its own set of specialized material like the compendium, etc., which also helps you to solve the different variety of questions that come in these Olympiads. And so finally, with the help of my FIITJEE faculty and the FIITJEE material, I was able to manage out each and every exam that I gave till class 12th, finally secure a good rank in the JEE. I would like to thank FIITJEE Lucknow and the faculty of FIITJEE, and also the FIITJEE methodology of teaching and the pattern proof methods and the various material that have been well researched and prepared for my success. Thanks.